Now there are 9 sunnah, or there are 9 sunans of ghusl. Number 1 is to recite Bismillah. Now it needs to be understood that nowadays we have showers and baths which are connected within the toilet in most countries. And if you're in a situation where the shower is right next to the toilet and you're completely naked, in that case you can say it in your heart, but you should not say it out aloud. Number 2 is to wash both hands. Number 3, to wash any part of the body which has impurity on it. So to first remove the impurity off you. Number 4 is to do istinja, to remove or wash any impurities from the groin. Number 5, to perform a complete ablution wudu. And number 6, to pour water over the head first, then on the right side, and then on the left side. This is when you're using a bucket or something to pour water over yourself. However, but if someone is in a shower, we normally tend to stand in the shower. So the best way to do it is to, obviously the water pours over to your head first, and then you can just tilt over to your right, and the water will start flowing onto your right side of the body, and then you do it over the left side of your body as well. Number 7 is to perform wudu continuously without any pause in between. And then number 8, to rub the whole body while washing. So make sure that there's rubbing involved. Number 9, to wash the whole body 3 times. So if someone is in the shower, they could stand there and rub their whole body off, and that will be considered as 1, and then 2, and then number 3. On a side note, nowadays, because of the luxury lifestyle that we have, or the convenience that we have in showers and stuff, we tend to use more water than required. It is essential for a believer, for a Muslim, to save as much as water as possible. That also helps the environment, that helps our communities, that helps our bills, that helps everything around us. So we need to make sure that when we're in the shower, we should save as much as water as possible. Similarly, people who bathe in a hot tub or in just tubs and generically, we need to understand that if you are removing impurities off your body and you just jump into the tub, you need to realize that all that impurity is now mixed within that water. So when you're rubbing that water and purifying yourself and enjoying into it, that water is not purifying you. So what you need to do is, before you jump into the tub, you've made sure that you've removed all the purities from your body, you've did istinja, and you've made sure that you're clean in that sense before you jump into the water, so that way that water does not become najis and that water does not become impure. So the time that you're spending into the bath, the water remains pure and clean.